Okay, we start with the back basic, following with the hip twist, then forward walk turning, the comma, opening out. Then hip twist with 90 degree, then couple more swivels, forward walk turning again, into opening out, finishing 90 degree, swivel into crab walk, then series of twists into position, developing position, stretching, connecting to the partner, finish with the high knee. Extension, beautiful spiral at the end. For us to keep the correct body position where your tummy is in and upper body constantly, your spine over. So if you take a look on the side from us, it has to look a little bit this way, not this way, a little bit here. Now, why is it important? Because when we dance with the partner, especially for me, what I like to feel is when we connect, even without rocking our spine, we have already feeling of two spine connected together, two spines connected, and then we start moving, then we can sense each other movement. Even she's going away, even without connection, she's there. I want to feel like her spine virtually connects to me. Like if I draw a line, this line gonna cross somewhere here. It's very, very important because that creates a feeling of togetherness. So when we do, for example, difficult choreography like this one, so now our body orientation is slightly different. So she's facing this way, I'm facing here. But inside our spine, in her head, her spine should be towards me. Like her feeling should be like spine is there almost, even she looking there. So in this case, we create like a small pyramid together between us. So then when I send her and she goes away, I feel that she's very easy connected with me. And here, when Kristina was explaining you the same idea, when she stepped forward, even though, she's not turning herself, but her spine already. After sign up, guys, go to video courses. This is all my private library here. Click anywhere, lots of videos.